My video guide is about getting rid of the adware type application called OptimizationSquare. OptimizationSquare is the adware that attacks Mac computers these days. So OptimizationSquare is the adware from the adload family of computer infections. Once installed, it starts to display the huge portion of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. It may also cause unwanted browser redirections to random websites. So, of course, you will not be really happy with this adware on your Mac. So, to get rid of it, select your Finder on your Mac, go to Applications, right-click on this program and move it to the trash. I also recommend that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner, which can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.